Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. We are continuing with shell scripting tutorial for DevOps, and in previous video we have seen like how we can define for loop in shell scripting. Okay, and in this video we are going to discuss about how we can define while loop in shell scripting. Okay, so while loop is mainly used whenever you don't know the range how many times you want to execute any certain kind of task and certain kind of command. Okay, so like you use this while loop to execute the condition whenever the condition is true and false. Okay, so according to that, this while loop is going to stop the execution of command and start execution of command. Okay, so while loop is used to repeatedly execute a set of command as long as a specified condition is true. Okay, so how we can write our while loop and how we can execute the set of commands. So let's see using the real-time scenario. Okay, so let me create one file here, 𝗧𝗨𝗧𝗢𝗥𝗜𝗦. Okay, so sudo vi script.sh. First we have to define our /bin /bash. Okay, so we have to write first while, and then after that we have to write our condition. Okay, then we have to write do and okay and done. Okay, and between do and done keyword we have to define our commands. Okay, so suppose we are writing command 1, we are writing command 2, we are writing our commands this way. And we are writing our third command as well. Okay, so like this we can write while loop in shell scripting. First we have to use while, then we have to pass our condition here, and between do and done keyword we have to give how many commands we want to execute. Okay, according to the condition. Okay, so let's see it using the real-time scenario. Okay, so suppose I want to print the value from 1 to 10, okay, using while loop. So I am going to define a variable that is n is equal to 1. Okay, so I am initializing the value of n that is 1. Okay, with 1 and n is our variable here. Okay, so in condition what we can define here, first we have to define the variable and we have to use the flag that is LE. Okay, so less than and equal to and till which where we want to execute this command, though that is 10. We are giving the value of n is less than and equal to 10. Okay, then after that we have to pass our command here. So in command we are going to pass that variable echo and n. Okay, and till now we are not done it because this condition is always going to be true, because the value of n is always, that is 1, is always less than 10. So it's going to execute this script infinitely. Okay, so what we can use it here, what condition we can use it here. Okay, so that will make this script executable and valid. Okay, so we have to use n equal to, and we have to define the variable here, and we have to use double parenthesis. Okay, and then we have to define n, and we have to give a plus and 1. Okay, and we have to close with double parenthesis. Okay, so this is done now. So let's save this script and try to execute this script. Okay, so let me change the permission of this script. So we have successfully changed the permission. Now let's execute this script. So as we can see it here, it's printing the value from 1 to 10, right? Because 10 is less than and equal to 10. Okay, so that what we have defined in our condition. Okay, so let's open this file again, and we can define and we can do the increment of this variable, that is n, in multiple way. Okay, so let's press I. We can remove this. Okay, and we just have to, we can do post increment, that will also fine and that will also work. So let's see. Let's again execute our script. So we are getting the same value, so we can use this way to increment the variable value in our while loop. Okay, so and we can do pre-increment as well. Okay, so let me show you. So this is the pre-increment, and before we are using post-increment. So let's save this file and execute the script. We are getting the same value as we can see. So it's printing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, because 10 is less than and equal to 10. Okay, that we have defined in our condition. Okay, so let's see other way. Okay, we can define this condition in double parenthesis as well. Okay, so sorry, so just press I and give double parenthesis here and double parenthesis here as well, but we don't have to use here 𝗧𝗓𝗧𝗢 flag. We have to write our flag in different way, that is less than and equal to. So whenever you are using double parenthesis in while loop, you have to like be pointable and serious about your flags. Okay, so we can define our condition under double parenthesis like this. Okay, so this is also going to execute, and it's also going to give the same output whatever we are getting before. Okay, so let's execute this command, shell script. So we are also getting the same output from 1 to 10. Okay, so this way we can define while loop in shell scripting. So I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query, then do let me know in the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.